In this video, I'll show you how to add an authentication app to Binance for added security. First, open the Binance app and log into your account. Once you're in the home interface, tap the Binance icon in the top left corner. From here, tap on Account and then select Security under the Account Center. Next, tap on Authenticator app. This will allow you to use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Binance Authenticator instead of SMS for verification. Tap Enable at the bottom of the screen. You'll be given a 16-digit key or a QR code. To link the app, tap Copy next to the key. Then open your Google Authenticator app. If you don't have it, download it from the Play Store or App Store. In the Authenticator app, tap the plus icon in the bottom right. Select Enter a setup key and paste the 16-digit key. Name it Binance and select Time-Based for the key type, then tap Add. Go back to the Binance app, tap Next, and enter the 6-digit code generated by the Authenticator app. Finally, tap Submit. And that's it. Your Authenticator app is now linked to your Binance account, adding an extra layer of security. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.